Hello friends, welcome to Apex ZPAT channel. So in this video, we will discuss about one of the crucial subject for the GPAT exam, pathophysiology. Pathophysiology is very vast subject. From this subject, what to study and what not to study. It's very huge. So from pathophysiology subject, 3 to 4 questions will come for the GPAT. So how to get 12 to 16 marks? So what are the three most important topics? So if you have completed these three topics, you will get easily 12 to 16 marks. So the first topic, neoplasia. This is very important topic. So almost every year they are asking one question from the neoplasia. And this topic also very huge. What to study from the neoplasia? One thing, difference between the benign tumor and malignant tumors. So how to smart way we have to study difference between the benign and malignant tumors. I made already one video. It is available in this channel. Please watch it. Definitely it will help you. Very crisp video, but 4 marks easily you will get. The second thing, genes. So what are the genes responsible for the cancer? So one time they asked the BRCA gene, breast cancer, hair gene. So different types of the genes associated with the cancer. So that kind of questions will ask in the exam. So that much is sufficient from the neoplasia. Even though it is very huge topic, but what to study, these 2 points. The second most important topic, cell injury and adaptation. Especially from cell injury and adaptation, apoptosis and necrosis differences. Just read one table, difference between the apoptosis and the necrosis. Sometimes they ask basic definition of the apoptosis. What is that? Yes, programmed cell death. So that is going to ask in the exam. The second thing, adaptation. Adaptation, hyperplasia, atrophy, hypertrophy, metaplasia, dysplasia. These 5 types of the adaptation definitions. Only definitions you read it. Along with that, which adaptation will responsible for the cancer? Which is irreversible cell injury and which is the reversible cell injury? So you have to read that point also. So around, if you study 30 minutes, just you can easily attempt one question. But you should know what to study and how to remember. The third topic, inflammation topic. From this topic also frequently asking the question. In the inflammation, what we have to study is cellular changes. What are the cellular changes? Yes, MRAT cap. The simple trick is the MRAT cap. Marginations, rolling, adhesion, transmigration, chemotaxis, opsonization, phagocytosis. Just we have to remember the MRAT cap. So, margination, which is responsible for the margination, which is responsible for the rolling. So, what is responsible for these activities that we have to study? In previously, they asked one question, recent exams, which is the best opsonin? They asked which is the best opsonin. So that is the question we can get from the cellular injuries. The second thing, inflammatory mediators. We have the different types of the inflammatory mediators like histamine, prostaglandins, leukotrienes, platelet activating factor. So many inflammatory mediators are there. So histamine, nitric oxide, prostaglandin, leukotrienes, these are important. So already asked one time the question, histamine, histidine to histamine, decarboxylase. And another time they asked the nitric oxide question. Okay, so that we will expect the question from the inflammatory mediators. The third thing, hypersensitivity reactions. So what is expected from the hypersensitivity topic? First thing, classification. basic classification, different types of the hypersensitivity reaction. Second thing, example. Each hypersensitivity reactions example. Okay, examples are very important. If you read these three topics, you can easily answer in the exam. Again, I am saying, first you should know what to study, what not to study. How much detail you need to study that particular topic. If you know that thing, you can easily clear the exam. But the problem is many students are not aware this thing, randomly watching the lectures and randomly doing anything. Please stop doing that one and be smart. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.